Hello and welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about two popular shipping tools. The first one is ShipStation and the second one is the Pirate Ship. So many people who sell online need these tools because when you sell product, you must ship them. So good shipping tools can save you money and also save time. So today we will see what ShipStation offer and what Pirate Ship offer and which one is the cheaper or better for you. But before we start, let me say this, in the description of this video I added links where you can check the latest information, the newest updates and also special deals for ShipStation and Pirate Ship. Now prices can change, so always check the description for the most accurate information. Now let's talk about the ShipStation. ShipStation is a very well-known shipping software. Many big online sellers uses it because it has a lot of features. You can connect it with Amazon, eBay, Shopify, WooCommerce and many other stores. This means you can manage all your orders in one place. ShipStation also gives you discounted shipping rate, so you don't have to pay the full retail prices at USPS or UPS or FedEx. So another good thing is automation. For example, if you always ship small product with USPS or ShipStation, this can do this automatically for you. It saves time, right? So it also has the tracking email for your customers, so you don't need to know where your package is. Now let's talk about Pirate Ship. Pirate Ship is much simpler. Many small sellers like it because it is a free to use. Now there is no monthly fee, you just have to pay the postage, and the best part is Pirate Ship gives you the cheapest USPS and UPS rates. For many small businesses this is enough. So you don't get too many advanced features like ShipStation, but the focus is on cheap shipping. The dashboard is very easy as you can see, and you can create label, print them and drop off the package, and that's it. So which one is cheaper? Well, it depends. Now if you only need USPS or UPS level and you don't need too many features, then Pirate Ship is one of the best option for you because it has no subscription cost. But if you are a bigger seller, maybe selling on many platforms and you need the automation, then ShipStation can save you money and the more time. Now ShipStation has the monthly fee, but the time and the control it gives you, it can also be very valuable. So the choice is simple. If you are just starting or if you only ship with USPS or UPS, Pirate Ship is very good option for you. But if you are running a larger store with many order and you want automation, then ShipStation is a better option for you. Now that's all for the comparison between ShipStation and Pirate Ship, and don't forget to check the description below this video for the official link and updated prices because deal changes often. Now thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.